3 third grade, 4th grade, and 5th grade ESL students. This is Mr. Caesar. I made some activities that are geared just toward 3rd, 4th, and 5th, and we're doing speaking, reading, listening, and writing. Okay, so I hope you enjoy it. First thing is speaking. I put this picture in. I want you to tell a parent or your sibling, what do you see in the picture? What colors? What sounds do you think that you might hear? What shapes do you see? What feelings, do you feel from this picture, or what do you see on her face? Number 2, why do you think the girl's feet are dirty? Number 3, where do you think the girl is? And last one, what do you think she's going to do next? Okay, reading. I'm going to read a book from Epic Kids to you about cobra snakes, and we can take the quiz after the book is done. Ready? All right, we're switching. All right, so 3rd grade had a story, a visualizing story about a cobra. So I thought the girls would like to, and all of you would like to learn more about a cobra. So I'm going to read this out loud. So it's about spitting cobras. Okay. What are spitting cobras? Spitting cobras are dangerous, venomous snakes. There are many different kinds. The longest ones can be almost 9 feet, 2.7 meters long. And if you click on the word venomous, it comes up and it says having or producing venom. Which makes sense. Spitting cobras come in many different colors. They can have red, black, brown, yellow, or gray scales. Some spitting cobras have striped skin. So if you're wondering what scales are, if you see like all these little, kind of lines going down him, those are his scales. And then it says colorful names. Many spitting cobras earn their name from the color of their scales. These include red spitting cobras and zebra spitting cobras. Neat. Where spitting cobras live? The cobras are found in Africa and southeastern Asia. Some spitting cobras live in dry savannas or grasslands. Others live in forests. So we've got savanna is a grassland. It's pretty dry, but the way it's different from a desert is that it has trees and it has a lot of grass. So a desert doesn't have that. I think this is the coolest picture ever, kind of freaky. It says prey and predators. Spitting cobras usually hunt at night. They search for eggs, toads, and birds to eat. They use their fangs to inject deadly venom into prey. Then they swallow the animals whole. So their fangs are these little teeth right here. Really cool. And inject means really to put in. So through his teeth, he's putting that venom into his prey. And then they have pictures of his prey here. Oops, did I miss a page? Nope. Okay, sorry. Mongooses, I guess this animal right here, are often hunting spitting cobras. Oh, interesting. They attack before the cobra can defend themselves. Monitor lizards also make spitting cobras into meals. Ooh, so we have some predators here. Defense. Spitting cobras flatten their necks when frightened. First, they lift their head, then they form a hood with the skin around their neck. This makes them look larger to scare predators. So if you can see right here, his hood is coming up and it's meant to scare people and says back off. Spitting cobras also hiss to frighten their predators. Ooh, neat. What a cool picture. Spitting cobras also spray venom at their enemies. Their fangs have tiny holes in the front, and they squeeze neck muscles to squirt venom out of the holes. Spitting distance. The spray can reach up to 8 feet, 2.4 meters. Think about that. Like 8 feet, like I'm 5 feet inches tall. I'm 5 feet tall. And the snake can spit further than if I, laid down and you measured me on the ground. That's crazy. Ooh, another cool picture. Spitting cobras aim for the eyes of their attackers. The venom stings their eyes. Sometimes it causes blindness. Meanwhile, spitting cobras slither to safety. The venom is harmless if it lands on skin. Oh, okay. Interesting. Then we have here another cool picture. And we have, let's see, the scientific name, the average size, 2.1 feet, habitats, forest, grassland, savannas, range, sub-Saharan Africa, Egypt, southeastern Asia, and venomous, yes, hunting method, venomous bite, and common prey are lizards, toads, birds, and eggs. And then we have a glossary. We've got fangs, which we know are the teeth, the hood, which I showed you, inject, which means to put that liquid in, predators, okay, animals that hunt other animals for food, and then prey, animals that are hunted by other animals for food. The savannas are grasslands, like I said, they're dry, but they're not like deserts because they have trees. Scales, they're the small plates of skin, and you saw the picture. Venom is that poison, and venomous means that their body can create venom. All right, now that we're done, we're going to go to the quiz. All right. Can I make this bigger? Okay. So it's question number 1. Spitting cobras are not venomous. Is that true or false? That's false. Yep, they are venomous, as we learned. What does the word venomous mean in this sentence? Spitting cobras are dangerous venomous snakes. Does that mean they are harmless? They are poisonous. They are not dangerous. They don't bite. I hope you thought they are poisonous. Okay, number 3. What color is not the color of a spitting cobra? Gray, black, yellow, or purple? I hoped you picked purple. They're not purple, though that would be really cool to look at. Oops, I clicked it by accident. Oh, it just made me go through it. All right, savannas are very wet. Is that true or false? I hope you picked false because they are very dry. Next one, what does the word fangs mean in this sentence? They use their fangs to inject deadly venom into prey. What does the word fang mean? Teeth, tongue, tail, or eyes? I hope you picked teeth. Okay, number 7. What 2 animals are dangerous to a spitting cobra? Cats, other snakes, dogs, mongooses, and monitor lizards. If you remember, they had that picture of a mongoose. So it's a mongoose and a monitor lizard. Okay, 2 more. What is it called when a spitting cobra flatten their heads? Is that called an umbrella, wings, hood, or hand? I hope you remember that they have a hood. Okay, next one. Spitting cobras form a hood to make them look larger. True or false? I hoped you picked true. Okay, and last question. Spitting cobras can spit venom into the eyes of an attacker. True or false? I hoped you picked true, as we saw that's what one of their defense mechanisms. All right, so we're all done with that. I'm going to go back to my slides. All right, hold on 1 second. All right, this is a listening activity. All you need is paper, pencil, and some crayons. If you want to color it in, you don't have to, but we're going to listen to a recording and you are going to draw what you hear. Ready? Hold on. Click.
We are going to do a listening activity. Listen to the directions and draw what you hear. Number 1, draw a school bus. Number 2, draw a road under the school bus. Number 3, draw a sun on top of your paper. Number 4, draw a boy or a girl next to the school bus. Number 5, draw a tree behind the school bus. Number 6, draw 2 clouds in the sky. Number 7, color the picture.
All right, yep, you can color the picture. Also, if you notice on the slide, I forgot to say this before we started, my fault. There's words under, on top, behind, and next to. So if you needed to go back and listen to that and adjust your drawing, you can. All right, last thing, writing. Today's prompt says, what is the nicest thing you've ever done for someone else? And how did their reaction make you feel? Remember, reaction is what did they do when you did that nice deed? So if you were in third grade, I urge you to write a perfect paragraph. Sentences should begin with that capital letter and end with punctuation. Write a topic sentence, 3 juicy details, and a conclusion sentence. If you are in 4th and 5th grade, my goal for you is to write 2 paragraphs. Sentences, again, begin with that capital letter and end with punctuation. Each paragraph must have a topic sentence, 3 to 4 details. You can think of who, what, where, when, why, order of, and a conclusion sentence. Okay, I hope you have a good day. You got to do some speaking practice, reading practice, listening, and writing for the day. All right, have a good day.